Hi, I'm Paul Steinbrook of Skyway Web Design and Marketing. Thanks for joining me for this website design frequently asked questions video. In this video, I'm going to address the question, will I be able to update my website myself after it's built? This is a really important question to ask your developer before you choose a developer, because there are definitely some benefits to being able to manage your website yourself. So let's talk about those. The pros and cons of doing your own updates versus having a developer do them for you. If you're able to do your own website edits, that's going to save you money, right? Because you're not going to have to pay the developer to do them for you. And it's also going to get your changes to your website implemented more quickly. If you can just go ahead and edit pages whenever you want to, that's going to be faster than having to email or call your developer and then they make the changes when it works in their schedule. So some definite benefits to being able to manage your website yourself, and this is our development philosophy. We want to build websites for our clients that they can manage and edit themselves. We're always here for you, but that's our goal, is to make it so that you are able to make the updates yourself. So other things that factor in whether you will be able to update your website yourself, of course, the ease of use of the platform. We here at Skyway, we use WordPress. This is the most popular content management system in the world. It is very easy to use, and we have a high degree of confidence that you'll be able to update your pages, update blog posts, and update other content once you have the website launched and available to you. Is training provided? This is another thing that we do. Once we have built the website, we will make available a training document to you, and we also have video tutorials available where you can see how to do just about anything with your new website. And then the third thing is, what is the support going to be like? If you're going to be updating the website yourself, if you run into an issue or you're not quite sure how to edit a certain part of the site, are you going to be able to get in touch with somebody who's going to be able to help you? And is your developer going to provide you support via email only, or are they going to have live chat available or phone support available? So these are important things for you to find out, to ask your developer before you choose the developer, so you know how it's going to be, if you're going to be able to develop or edit the website yourself or not. So like I said earlier, our philosophy is we want to develop and build websites that empower our clients to update the website themselves. However, we also offer maintenance packages and maintenance hours. So if you would rather just send your changes to us and have us do the updates for you, that's an option as well. All right, well, if you have any other website design questions, let us know in the comments or email us support@skywayweb.com. And if you're considering having a new website built for your company or your nonprofit, please get in touch with us. We would love to talk with you about your organization and to see if having a new custom designed website would help you to achieve your goals online. Thanks for watching and have a great day.